Tired of your daily commute feeling like a draining waste of time? Imagine arriving at your destination, not stressed, but calm, centered, and ready to conquer your day. In this video, we're going to transform your journey from a mundane grind into a profound, moving meditation, no matter how much traffic you face. Let us start with a simple but powerful shift. Treat your commute as dedicated you time. Not time to worry about work, not time to rehash arguments, but a protected space just for your well-being. The first step is to consciously decide to leave your stress at the door when you begin your journey. Whether you're getting into your car, stepping onto a bus, or walking to the subway, tell yourself, this time is for me. Now, let's engage our senses. This is the core of mindfulness. Instead of getting lost in your thoughts, bring your attention to the present moment. If you're driving, feel the steering wheel in your hands, the pressure of your foot on the pedal. Notice the colors of the cars around you, the shape of the clouds in the sky. If you're on public transport, feel the gentle sway of the vehicle, listen to the hum of the engine, but without judgment. Just observe. These are not distractions. They are anchors to the here and now. One of the best tools for a mindful commute is your breath. You don't need to do any complex breathing exercises. Just notice your breath. Is it shallow? Is it deep? Simply observe the natural rhythm of your inhalation and exhalation. When you hit a red light or your train stops, take that as a cue. Take one deep, deliberate breath in and a slow, complete breath out. Feel the tension leaving your shoulders with that exhale. You can do this a few times throughout your journey. It's like a mini reset button for your nervous system. Let's also talk about what you're consuming mentally. Instead of listening to stressful news or aggressive talk radio, curate your audio environment. This is a perfect time for calming music, a thoughtful podcast, or even an audiobook that nourishes your mind. Or try something radical. Silence. Give your brain a break from the constant input. You might be amazed at the clarity that comes from simply allowing your mind to be quiet for a little while. This isn't about emptying your mind, but rather just letting thoughts come and go without getting attached to them, like clouds passing in the sky. If you find yourself getting frustrated by traffic or delays, and you will, that's okay. That's part of the practice. Instead of resisting the frustration, acknowledge it. Say to yourself, okay, I'm feeling annoyed right now. Then, gently bring your focus back to your breath or to the physical sensations around you. Each time you do this, you're strengthening your mindfulness muscle. You're training your brain not to get hijacked by negative emotions. Think of traffic as an opportunity to practice patience, not a personal attack on your schedule. When you're nearing your destination, take a moment to set an intention for the next part of your day. What kind of energy do you want to bring to your work or your home? Do you want to be focused, kind, patient? Take a final deep breath and visualize yourself carrying that intention with you as you step out of your car or off the train. You're not just arriving, you're arriving with purpose. By transforming your commute into a moving meditation, you're not just making the journey better, you're setting the tone for your entire day. You're reclaiming wasted time and turning it into a powerful tool for mental and emotional well-being. It starts with one breath, one moment of awareness. Give it a try on your next trip and see how different you feel when you arrive. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more ways to bring mindfulness into your everyday life. Safe travels and have a peaceful commute.